Hello crocheters, welcome to my channel. Today is Sunday. I'm getting ready for Valentine's Day with some fun and creative crochet tutorials. Whether you are a seasoned crocheter or just starting out, you are in for a treat. I'll be showing you how to crochet cute hearts that make perfect gifts for your loved ones or your besties. We'll start with a heart with a flower brush, a sweet little pin that adds a touch of love to any outfit. Next, you can crochet a petite heart that is easy as pie and ready to be transformed into a love letter with just a touch of glue. And lastly, we'll bring a smile to everyone's face with a charming Amigurumi heart ready to be given to someone special. The small and Amigurumi heart videos are available in the link below or on my channel. So grab your crochet hook and let's get started. Happy Valentine's Day! Here I'm using this cotton yarn and this Metallica from Hobby, but you can use any type of yarn you want, and also 4mm crochet hook. Guys, here we're gonna start with the magic ring. And now we're gonna chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. We're gonna make 3 trebles into the ring, and a treble you yarn over twice. Insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, and now you're gonna yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's your first treble, and we're gonna make 2 more. We're going to make the second treble. We yarn over twice, insert into the ring, yarn over, pull through. Now yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now we're gonna make the third treble. Now we're gonna make 4 double crochets into the ring. This is gonna be our first double crochet, second double crochet, third double crochet, and this is the 4th double crochet. Here we're gonna make a treble, which is the pointy part of the heart in the bottom of the heart. And now we finish 1/2 of the heart. We're gonna start making the other. Repeat exactly the same. We mirror what we did in this side, we mirror in the other side. So now we're gonna start with 4 double crochets. Now we're gonna make 3 trebles. 1, 2, and 3. And now we're gonna chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna make a slip stitch into the ring, and we're gonna pull a little that tail. Guys, now we go for the second round, and we're gonna start making 2 single crochets right here where the chain from previous round is. So we're gonna make 2 single crochets right there. 1 and 2. Now on top of the treble from the previous round, we're gonna make 3 double crochets. This is gonna be our first double crochet, second, and third. I'm gonna make 3 more double crochets on top of the treble from the previous round, all in the same stitch. So this is 1, 2, and 3. We're gonna go to the next treble from the previous round, and on top we're gonna make 3 more double crochets. This is 1, 2, and 3. Guys, now we're gonna work on top of the double crochets from the previous round. We're gonna make 1 double crochet on top of the next double crochet from the previous round. We're gonna go to the next double crochet from the previous round, and we're gonna make 1 double crochet on top again. And now we're gonna go to the next double crochet from previous round, and we're gonna make 1 double crochet again. And we're going now to the next double crochet from the previous round, which is the 4th double crochet, and we're gonna make 2 double crochets on top of that double crochet, 1 and 2 in the same stitch. Guys, now we're gonna work on top of the treble from the previous round, and that is the pointy part of the heart, and there we're gonna make 3 stitches, 1 double crochet, all in the same stitch. So 1 double crochet, 1 treble, and 1 double crochet, all in the same stitch. And that's going again to make the pointy part of the heart. Now we have to mirror the other side and repeat exactly the same. Now, in the next stitch, we're gonna make 2 double crochets. We're repeating exactly the same we did on the other side. So 2 double crochets in the same stitch, and now 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 double crochets from the previous round, 2 and 3. Now we're gonna make 3 double crochets in each stitch, 1, 2, 3, in the same stitch. Now we're gonna make 3 again, 3 stitches, 3 double crochets in the same stitch, 1, 2, and 3. Now we're gonna make 3 double crochets in the last treble from the previous round, 1, 2, and 3. Guys, here I finished curving this area from the heart, and now we have to repeat exactly the same we did on the other side. We're gonna make 2 single crochets right where the chain is, and with that we finish the second round. Now we're gonna start with our third round, and we're gonna make 1 single crochet on top of the single crochet from the previous round, 1, and 1 single crochet in the next single crochet from the previous round. Now we're gonna make 1 single crochet in the next double crochet from the previous round, 1 single crochet. In the next double crochet from the previous round, we're gonna make 2 double crochets because we have to start curving that area. So in the same stitch, we're gonna make 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. And we're gonna continue with 2 double crochets in the next 7 double crochets from the previous round. Now we're gonna make 1 double crochet on top of the next 6 double crochets from the previous round before we get to the pointy part of the heart.
Every time I look at you, you're looking back at me, my dear.
Guys, now we got to the pointy area of the heart, and we're gonna make 1 chain and then 1 treble on top of that treble from the previous round where the pointy area of the heart is. And now we're gonna make chain 1, and we have to repeat exactly the same. We're going to make 6 double crochets, 1,
Hold me close, don't ever put me down. Every time I look at you, you're looking back at me, my dear.
Guys, now we're gonna repeat exactly the same we did in the other side. So in the next 8 double crochets, we have to make 2 double crochets in each stitch. So 1 and 2.
Back when I was a lonely soul, holding on to a heart so cold. Letting go is the only way to free myself from years of pain. You came to me like an ocean breeze, words so sweet I thought I'd never see. Love like this is all I need. Never thought I'd be so free. I can't count all the times I've tried.
Guys, if you see, we have 3 single crochets from the previous round. We're gonna make 1 single crochet in each 2 and 3. And now we're gonna slip a stitch right in this center, and we finish our heart. Guys, now we have a cute heart, and you can use it as it is, or we can go ahead and make the flower to make the brush. Here we're gonna start making the flower for the brush, and we're gonna chain 26. I'm using this Metallico from Hobby, and I'm using, even though it's a fine yarn, I'm using a 4mm crochet hook. I like the way it looks, and so yeah, let's go ahead and make 26 chain. Guys, now in the second chain from the hook, we're gonna single crochet and single crochet in each chain across. So we're gonna end up with 25 single crochets. So I'll meet you guys right at the end. And for the next round, I'm going to chain 1, turn my work. Now I'm gonna skip 1, and in the next one I'm going to make 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, after we finish the 5 double crochets, we're gonna slip stitch in the next stitch, and then we're gonna skip one and we're gonna repeat exactly the same 5 double crochets in the next stitch. This is kind of tricky with this very thin yarn, but the flower ends up really pretty, so that's why I like to work with a 4mm crochet hook. It would be easier with a smaller, but I like the final look. So 5 double crochets in the same stitch, and we're gonna slip a stitch in the next stitch, kind of like to close this curvy shell, and then we're gonna skip one and we're gonna repeat across. So I'll meet you guys right at the end. Now we're gonna fasten off, and remember to leave a long tail. We're gonna use a yarn needle to shape up the flower. The small and Amigurumi heart videos are available in the link below or on my channel. If you like this video, consider subscribing for more exciting projects coming up. Bye!